everybody, Hailey here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make origami. What is origami? Origami is the Japanese technique of paper folding. Can you guess what we're going to make today? The only thing you'll need for this craft is a square piece of paper. If you don't have a square piece of paper, I'm going to show you how to make one. So I'm going to use an 8.5 by 11 standard sheet of printer paper to show you how to do that. So you're going to take the corner right here. If you fold it and line up that edge with this edge as best you can. Just run your finger along that. And then you'll have this little overhang right here. What you do, take a pair of scissors, just cut that right off. And then that should give us our square. So what I also like to do is fold it in half again, make the size a little bit more manageable, because the larger your paper is, the harder it is to make the origami animal. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut along that crease. And it's okay if the square isn't perfect. We just want it as close as possible. You're going to fold it one more time over. Line that up. Take your scissors and cut along that seam again. Open that up a little bit. There we go. Just to use it as a guide. You might want to have an adult or an older sibling or friend help you out with this as well. Okay, so now we have our square and we're ready to start. What we're going to do first is take our piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half. And fold it in half the other way as well. And we're going to take the corners here, 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 and here, and we're going to fold them to the center. So. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this one and open it up. And you see this seam right here? We're going to fold this tip into that seam. There we go. Then we're going to go down to this end, open this up, and then we're going to move the tip in just a little bit. And roll it back. Fold down. So you can see there's a little bit of space on this side and a little bit of space on this side. Now what we're going to do is take this corner and fold it in, like so, and we're going to fold the whole thing in half. Okay. So this is going to be the dog's tail right here, and the dog's head is going to be down here. So the next step is to open up this wing right here. Fold it back over, and we're going to do a diagonal right across here. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're going to open this up. Both sides should match. There we go. And what we're also going to do to make the tip of the nose, we're going to go to the end right here, unfold, going to pop that out right there, go up, and then these two flaps are going to get folded down. see the dog's tail, and there's the dog's head. And we've just made an origami dog. For an added challenge, you can make the dog as small as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.